This is my first ever developer portfolio. I'm going to show you some mistakes that I did that you should probably avoid in the future. Hey guys, so I've been taking a break from the real estate app, and today I'm just showing you that I'm building a brand new portfolio. It's already, for the most part, it's done, and I wanted to show you some mistakes so hopefully you can avoid them when you create your portfolio, or you can make the changes to your current portfolio. Minimize this is my code. This is my first ever developer portfolio. I'm going to show you some mistakes that I did that you should probably avoid in the future. So we have no fave icon here. That's a little bit nitpicky. Some people, they say you should have one. Some people say you shouldn't. Me, I like to always have a fave icon. This was my first ever portfolio, so I actually didn't know a lot about this stuff. So I have a little bio here, and I have a table of certain skill sets here. It's kind of that's fine here. Then I have a little logo and my name, and I have a GitHub, my LinkedIn, and a code pin. Now, one thing I wanted to point out to you is I have a custom domain. Custom domains make you sound more professional. So up here is my domain name. In retrospect, I don't know what I was thinking with this domain name. It's unprofessional. It sounds more like some type of antivirus system. Like I named it after the antivirus because it's a nickname I had in high school and college. So I kind of did a play off of that with the Norton antiviral. But I realized if you're trying to get a job or if you're freelancing, it may not be the best thing. Then I have my recent work. I have 2 projects here. They're extremely basic. I wouldn't have used them to get a job. Especially in today's market, you need a lot more than what I had here, but it was able to get me a job somehow. This is one of my projects. I'll do a review on it later. Basically, it's a social network front-end clone. There's no back end to it at all. And as you saw, it looked pretty basic. Then I have an e-commerce shopping cart. This one right here looks better, and once again, no back end. This was when I was just going for front end developer roles, so I was just using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, nothing fancy here. I did know some Python and some Java and C that I picked up in university, but all of this stuff was stuff that I learned on my own. And then I have a little reach out, call to action here, email. It's fairly simple. It is responsive. It was based off of a template that I edited, so you can search this online and you actually won't find this type of portfolio because the edits that I made, it's no longer looking anywhere close to what the original portfolio looks like.